Hello guys, today I will demonstrate the full process of Adobe Firefly, and nowadays we have been facing so many difficulties for the Adobe Firefly fill generated fill. So here I am. First of all, I will show you that by myself I have been generative the outsiding and the background changes of my own pictures. So you can see this that there is no falsification or no fraudulence of my video. So in this video right now I have just updated my version of 25 around, which is being showing on the Adobe Cloud, and you will be you can see the whole process, and whether I have just opened the file to find my own pictures, so it will be clear to you the process that we will be doing in the generative fill. The error we have all found nowadays, which is violating the terms of the use. So here I have just opened the latest version from the Adobe Cloud. So I have been open my own pictures, the trends anything Byzid. The logo is background on myself. So here it is just loading, and then in the process I have been going through few times the speed ramp, so the video will be lesser long, and I'm just zooming out the photo and select the subject right now, and it's my own photo, and TA is trends anything Byzid, you can see. So I have select this picture that all you can just focus that other videos, the other content creators video. So the subject has been chosen by the Adobe Photoshop, and you can see that generative fill had automatically generated the backgrounded. So I have been chosen the three option they have been given to me to select the photos. So one background has been chosen, second one is moderately not suitable, the third one is preferable, first one and third one is most preferable. So you can see the generative fill is being working, but it must have to be the legal way and must have to be the beta version and the photo version. So I will demonstrate the full process how you can like to do this in the whole process and what the process is. So I have been choosing the another photo from the download version. You can see it's my own like PC. The name and the folder's name all are the same. Nothing have been copying or the paste from the other video content makers. So I have been randomly selected the photo of the gas balloon or the fire balloons. So I have zoomed it out, and the border I will be increase the photo to generate fill in a way. So right now I want to do the expandation of this process. So you can see, so I have extended the border in the vertical and horizontally in the both way. So I'm doing right now in a slow way, which the speed ramp is required in a process in the slow loading. I will be do as per the requirement. Otherwise, I will go through in a very slow process, so you can all can understand the process. So I have expanded in a three-dimensional way, and then so you can see the progressing is to change the setting preference and the image preference to select the subject, and it takes quite a little bit to process because my PC configuration is not that up to the mark. That's why the subject has been selected and the outer box also been selected, you can see. And I have been pressing the generative fill to select the random generate. It can be doing by itself by the Photoshop. So it's being processing and processing, so we have to be wait for a while. There is no cut copy paste. So I have been generated, and you will see the found the result in a three-dimension way. The expandation of the balloon, the picture of the balloon has been expanded by itself in a generative fill way. So it's being proved again that if you do in a legal way by the Adobe Clouds, so it will be working all the way. most of us work just like to be doing the all things the pirated Photoshop. So it's being detected that the yeah, I think so. I have been like saving the pictures, and now you can see I have been marking on the installation, and it's being from Adobe Cloud, so Adobe Creative Cloud. So it's being, the Photoshop is being installing from the cloud based. So you might think that we have to be purchased from the Adobe Cloud, we need dollars. No, you don't need. In this process you can like download any software from the Creative Clouds, and I will be showing to you that it's not a fraudulent things. All the software which will be supported to my PC, mainly the apps, all are being in an installation way, not on the buy process. So you can see the Photoshop, Illustrator, Acrobat, Lightroom, InDesign, Premiere Pro, Premiere Rush, Lightroom, Breeze, After Effects, all are in the installation way. So we don't have to be need to buy through the dollars. You can check, go to your Creative Clouds desktop, and you will find not installed, you will find it on like buy option. Okay, so after that I am installing the Photoshop beta version from Creative Clouds on the desktop. So it's being showing the waiting, and I will speed ramp in this particular video area, so you can just let's go through to the longer video terms. So it's being showing the waiting, so it's on the background, it's just going through the Photoshop beta in installation way. So in that particular section I will speed ramp a little bit, so you can the time of the whole video will be lesser longer. So it's almost being 6 minutes 20 seconds. And on the Photoshop version you will showing the Adobe remove tools components in the background. They have been installing on the Creative Clouds desktop portion. I have been marking through a red mark. And on the Photoshop beta version you have, I've just speed around 5x version, so installing on that purpose. Otherwise it take a longer period of time, because it's on the background, it's take the internet speed and the cloud based installation progress, not in a like PC speeding or the RAM version. So it's being installing. So after completing you will see that it's showing up to date the Photoshop beta version. So all apps are being showing that up to date, including the Camera Raw, which is the plugins of the Photoshop beta version or Photoshop 24.5 beta version. So now you can have a question that how we can do this, and what is the process. So I am existing the Photoshop cloud based, and opening my folder version where I have been kept the software. So here you can see that all the beta version and the pro version has been installing. So the installation process is being going through, and I am just speed ram the thing. So after completing the updated version, I'm just opening the key features all you are waiting for, that how we can do and install all the stuff. So it will work as a generative AI fill. So here is the software you required to install all the Adobe in a background. And here it is. It search all the components. So we have to wait a little bit while to identify all the versions in the PC we have been installing. So yeah, it has been found through the software. So we have to tick mark all the versions we require to install, and we want to incorporate it as a generative fill. So I'm not going through the speed ramp because you might think that there might have a cut copy paste thing. So all the process in a one shot, taken shot. So it's being taken a while. So we have to be wait, or you can like want to drag in a few moment. So the thing is, actually it's take a while time. So waiting and waiting. Initially it takes a longer time to patch again. I'm not using the word. YouTube may identify the word and may dump my video. So I'm just waiting, and it will work. Just keep patient and hang out with me, so you will find the outcome. So it's at being working like patching all the things. Almost 4 or 5 components has been already done. Almost 5 have been done, and the 3 number, the program file Adobe Photoshop 2024 Photoshop exe, is being waiting. It takes around 3 to 5 minutes. Then the boom thing will be happen to you, and you can do your things. There is a note responding to my PC. That's the thing. Okay. So we can see the whole patch thing has been done, and you may have to be careful. Don't exit it from the cross button. Open the task manager, okay, and find the software. After that, you have to make it like end task. So I am just scrolling down and find out the software, because the many software has been run on the task manager. So I have to be identify and close it. So after that, after closing the software, okay, I am again go to the PC, and it's a long video. I have make it in a short way, and after that I have just open the Adobe Photoshop beta version. Okay, Adobe beta version, and it's being opening and taken a few bit time, and my DirectX and VRAM is not as per requirement. So I have just closed it down by clicking the OK button. After that, you can see the updated version. The initial they have been suggesting us the tutorial version. Okay, have been showing to the my PC. So I will cross it down, because it's being nothing to me, because I have gone through the whole process. I know how to make the generative fill, the expanding thing. So I just cross it down, and after that I will open the pictures from my computer. Okay, click the version, the generative option has been generated. So I am ensuring by opening the file option, and after that I will click the open version, and I will take the picture from like on your computer option. After that, I have clicking my own picture again. So the thing is similar, like in initial way I have showing that I can do the generative fill thing, and the second part is how we can install the beta version in a cloud, creative cloud desktop, and all the things has been required is not to buy option, and all the software is now like in a installation mode. So the process is same, the thing is the same, what I'm like demonstrating in an initial way. After the processing, I have doing the same thing. So one picture have been taken is myself, my own thumbnail, or the YouTube pictures, my own pictures, and after that I have just taken a downloaded random balloon pictures and expanded it. So in a generative fill, one is changing the background, and one is another is have been taken like expanding the things. If you think that the whole process is a fraudulent way and the thing is like it's a bullshit way, so I might make another video, and where it will be a picture like there is nothing on the picture, but I will generate it the different kind of sort of things on my video. So I will love to take any sort of challenges from you guys, and if you required the software, so I cannot input the link on the YouTube channel because YouTube will take it down. So you have to ask me in a comment box, and yeah, it's take a little price to me to install that software. Otherwise nothing is free, but after that I might ensure that all the software from the Creative Clouds will be genuinely updated and genuinely you can be used for that. So there is no other option. So please like and subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Thank you.